I got a message from 3 or 4 people that for different reasons they were not able to attend today. So we may have a little bit less attendance today, but they all said that they will be there. 3 or 4 people sent me a message this morning that for a variety of different reasons, किसी के बच्चे की birthday है, किसी का कुछ है, they were not able to join today. So we may have a little bit less attendance today, but we'll be
Okay.
recording it anyway, and we'll be sharing it.
Okay. So I was thinking to do chakra based asanas and this thing.
Ji, ji.
Starting from the base chakra. So
Awesome.
every day one chakra.
Oh, that would be awesome. I saw a video series on Amazon on that. That was very interesting, but I don't know how authentic it is, because it was from.
I have not seen that.
Okay.
I just thought maybe I can do different asanas based on.
No, that would be great. That would be great. I think we do want to have that kind of thing coming from an authentic tradition rather than.
Should I do it some other thing or do it today? Start today, right?
We can start today. Yeah, I mean I'm recording it anyway, so I'll post it recorded.
Okay.
Namaste, Swamiji.
Before we start about the chakra-based system, where we are using, there are 7 chakras. So I'll explain a little and then we will start the breathing session. In chakra-based system, we have so many chakras in the body, more than 100. But the main chakras, so there are 7, and all are located on the spinal cord. And each of them have a specific, it gives you some awareness. They are all energy points. And when I'm talking about chakras, I have to tell about pranas and nadis also. So there are many nadis. There are nadis in our body. It's a subtle body. There are 2 dimensions of a body. One is physical and one is subtle. So nadis exist in the subtle body, and they are channels that energy is flow. And these energies are indirectly called as pranas. And this energy which flows through the spinal cord, there are 2 main nadis which flow from the right and the left side of the spinal cord, called Ida and Pingla nadi. And they cross over like a circle, like they cross over like a U, like a wave. They go from the base of the spine to the nostril. If it is from the left side, it's called Ida nadi, and the right side one is called Pingla nadi. So they cross wherever the intersection is a chakra. Wherever the 2 nadis intersect on the spinal cord is a chakra. So the base chakra is Mooladhara chakra, which is at the base of the spine. So most of our asanas and pranayam which we do will be to activate that chakra. We'll start. Close your eyes. Observe your breath. Observe the inhale and exhale. When you observe your inhale, feel your belly stretch out. And as you exhale, take your belly inside. Inhale and exhale. Each time you inhale, feel the fresh energy, the positive energy around your, filling your body. And as you exhale, feel all the muscles and all the nerve endings relax in your body. Inhale and exhale. We start with 3 Omkaras. Inhale. Om. Observe the vibration. Observe any other sensation in the body, mind. We bring your palms together for the prayer. Om Sahanavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sah Veeryam Karvavahe Tejasvinamavitamastu ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So, whenever the Muladhara chakra has to be activated, there has to be energy in the body. There has to be a balancing of breath of both the right and the left nostril. As I told you, the left side nostril, the nadi is the Ida nadi, and the Pingla nadi comes from the right side. So both the nadis has to be balanced. And whatever the nadi, there are 72,000 nadis in the body through which the energy flows. So, all if there is any blockage in the nadis, then the flow of prana is obstructed. If the flow of prana is obstructed, again, you will not be able to activate any of the chakras in the body. So, the nadis has to be opened, and the way to open the nadis through pranayam and through asanas. There are certain asanas which open up the nadis around the certain chakras. With Kapalbhati is also one of the energy giving. It also opens up the nadis, gives you warmth. It opens up, activates the Kundalini Shakti, which is at the base of the spine. So we'll start with Kapalbhati. 3 rounds, 30, 30, 30 each. After each 30 rounds, we'll observe the Kumbhaks, Sahaj Kumbhak. Start. Inhale and 30 strokes. Relax. Observe the no breath stage. Feel your body filled with oxygen. Going for the second stage, second round. Inhale. We'll do more than 30 this time. And relax. Again, observe the apnea stage. Go for the third round. Inhale. Start. Again, relax. Observe the relaxing sensation and the warming up of your body. Yes, we'll do Bhastrika 3 rounds of 20 each. If you want, you can raise your hands up and down or do without that also. First round. And relax. Observe the energy around your navel area and your back. Start the second round. And relax. This is also a regenerating pranayam which activates the Kundalini area. Go in for the third round. And relax. Observe the no breath stage, the apnea stage. Feel your heart rate come down. Your mind relax. Rub your palms to create energy, heat energy. And spread it across your face and as I said, we'll be doing asanas which activate the Mooladhara chakra, the lower spine, at the base of the spine. Before that, we'll do some warm up. Lift your hands up, rotate the wrist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hands to your shoulder and rotate fully. Inhale and rotate. As you inhale, feel the chest open up, and as you exhale, contract. Feel your lungs expanding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. Inhale. Feel the lungs expanding, chest expanding, and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Rotate your waist region. Do inhale on one side, exhale on the other side. 1. Take as deep as you can. Feel the rotation of your face. 2, 3, 4, 5, and reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. As I said, the flow of prana and the nadis has to be opened. Flow of prana was already increased through Kapalbhati, where we are in Kapalbhati, we inhale more oxygen than we naturally breathe. We are breathing in a normal state 400 ml. In Kapalbhati, we do it 600, 100 to 200 is just more. So the oxygenation is more at that time. Even Nadi Shuddhi, the Anulom Vilom, also balances the nadis of Ida and Pingla, which allows again for the Kundalini Jagrati to happen. And the Mooladhara Chakra is activated. We'll do Anulom Vilom, and the one mudra for this Mooladhara Chakra is, now we have 5 fingers. Each of the fingers represent one element. The thumb represents the fire. The index finger represents air, middle finger, the sky or the space. This one is your earth element. And the little finger is the water element. So when we use the thumb and the ring finger, it is the earth element, which is your Mooladhara Chakra. When Mooladhara Chakra is activated, it is the earth element which is activated. And whatever in Mooladhara Chakra, when the nadis are blocked or the prana is blocked, you won't feel grounded, you won't feel stable. When it is activated and when it is in full, chakra is fully grown, that time you will feel very stable, you will feel grounded, and you will feel connected with your family, with your house, money, all this connection will be there. Otherwise, it will be like as if you are having no house, you are wandering from one place to the other. That feeling is there when that chakra is blocked. So when you increase that chakra, you feel a sensation of stability, confidence, and endurance, and feeling grounded, stable feeling with you. So first exercise what we have for Mooladhara Chakra is Paschimottanasana. And then your feet. And when you bend, you can make out the base of the spine being activated. So inhale and bend from your lower back and hold your toes. If you are not able to hold, you can keep a belt or a towel to hold. But see that your stomach is in and your lower back is bent. And hold this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up. Again, one more time. Inhale and exhale. Pull your stomach in and feel the base of your spine. When you bend and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come up. Inhale and come up. Again, hands to your sides and sideways. Stretch your sides. Come down as much as you can. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inside the other side. Feel the side stretch. Side of your spinal, the base of your spine. Feel stretched. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. One more asana is when you stretch both your feet. Side stretch, hold 1, hold to the opposite side, and hold it here. The other hand behind you and stretch here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other side. Go down and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back. Come into Vajrasan. The child pose is another exercise which activates your Muladhara Chakra. Inhale, and as you exhale, go down, forehead on the floor. Hold this position in a normal breath. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. Inhale. And forehead on the ground to feel that groundedness. Inhale and exhale down. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come up. One more exercise. Come into Ustrasana. Feet up. Again, you are bending towards your lower spine. You take your right hand up, one by one you can do, or both the hands also you can do. Go down and stretch over the other hand. And hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. More side, the other side. Up and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If this is too easy, you want a little more advanced, you can take the right hand and place it on the left heel and then stretch. Feel the stretch around your shoulders and your lower back at the sitting bone. Hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push your pelvic region out. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, left hand on the right heel and come up. Push your abdomen out and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The next asana for this, for Muladhara Chakra, is Malasana, which you sit on your sole of the feet. And hold, keep both your elbows, pushing the elbows against the knees. Hold this position, feel the groundedness, feel yourself being held by the ground, feel the stability. Hold yourself and focus in one point. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We go up into standing position, come up. Series of exercise which shows you balance and groundedness. So first one is for balancing pose. We'll do Tadasana. Tadasana, if you do the single this way, that's an easy way. So when you want to feel the groundedness, when you want to feel the stability, first you will keep both your feet together, both your legs touching each other, both your toes and feet touching each other. And focus at one point in front of you, and without losing the focus, without losing your balance, raise your toes up and feel each one by one. First the toes you will raise up, then your calf muscles, then your knees, then your hips and the whole body. Raise and hold it here for 2 seconds without losing balance. When you are good at this, you will gain your balance. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Down, come down. In the same Tadasana, how will you know how to balance when whether your posture is correct? So for that we will do slightly when I bend forward without raising my heels or my toes, I'll just bend forward and feel the pressure on my toes. Then come backwards, then I'll feel the pressure on my heels. Then left side, I'll feel the linear lateral pressure on the lateral side of the legs. Same thing on the right side. And now on the center. Feel the pressure on the center of your feet and feel the whole body being held by the ground from the center of the feet. Close your eyes and observe this balance for a few seconds. Feet together and feel if you're in a straight line. With your eyes closed, take your hands together and raise your toes up and stretching your hands also up in Tadasana. Hands up and hold this position for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you cannot balance with your eyes closed, you can open your eyes and focus at any point in front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Later on, you can practice with your eyes closed also and gain the balance. This is one. The second balancing exercise is where you raise your right leg, Vrikshasana. Hold this. Feet here and raise your hands up. If anybody has vertigo or problem, then please do not do this. Hands up. If you cannot hold it, you cannot be standing, you can hold the wall or you can take the support of any other things in next to you. Hold and take this up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release your legs. The other leg. Place it just above your thigh. And raise your hands. Inhale and exhale. Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release the legs. Other balancing poses. Stretch your legs as far as you can. This is Prasarita Padottanasana, where you are going to try to touch your head to the floor. If you cannot, don't force yourself. Go as much as you can. Go down, hands in the same line as your legs. Spread as much as you can and try to touch the head on the floor and hold. If you cannot touch, just hold it wherever it is convenient and feel the stretch, feel the balance on the ground. Hold it. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Slowly come up and come up to your feet. This also gives you a sense of balance, sense of stability whenever you do this asana. Then we'll do the 3 series of warrior pose. That also gives you balancing steps. Feet apart. For the right side of your feet facing the wall. Bend the knees and hold. This is a warrior pose 2. Hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take your hands, face the wall, turn your body towards the right and take your hand up and stretch. Feel the balance of both the legs and take your pelvic region more down, as much down as you can towards the ground. This is half moon pose, Ashta Chandrasana. Hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at your fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. And then go. Third one, continue with this. Take your hands behind your feet and stretch. Again, this is a balancing pose. Parsvakonasana. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come up and bring your feet. So, the right side will go to the left side. Okay. Turn the left leg towards the left side. Bend the knee and face your, look at the fingers of the left hand. Body straight. Only the head turn towards the left side. Go as much as you can, take your pelvic region down. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn your body towards the left fully and bend. Keep the knees bent. Take your hands up. Half moon pose. Look at the fingers and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, take this leg hand either behind or in the front, whichever is convenient to you. Keep your hand there. Other hand, your biceps over your ears, and look at the fingers. Parsvakonasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back. And we have another exercise, Trikonasana, that is also for Muladhara Chakra. Again, take leg apart, hands to the sides. Feet should be straight, parallel to each other. Both the feet parallel to each other in the straight. Hands here. Just extend your right hand and then go down. You can hold here at the calf, or you can hold it at the ankle. And the other hand will be straight line here. Hold this. 1, 2, and look at the fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. Again, stretch forward and take your hands and hold the hands in a single line. Look at your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back. Again, feet together. We do Padahastasana. That is also good for the same. For Padahastasana, inhale up. Take your hands. If you want, you can. If you cannot reach directly when your feet are close, you can take it one feet apart. Otherwise, go down, inhale, and go down, exhale. Try to hold the ground or next to your feet, and try to touch your forehead towards the knees. See that your knees are not bent but very soft. Hold there. 1, 2, 3. If you are not able to hold, go as much as you can, wherever you can, and hold. And if you are able to go in, if this is easy for you, take your hands behind your legs and hold it. Feel the stomach pressed against your thighs, your forehead touching the knees. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Inhale and exhale. Go down to sitting position. Lie down on the floor. Lying down, there are some asanas. First is the bridge pose. Bring both your legs as close to your buttocks as possible. Hands holding the heels. Raise your hips up. the weight on your shoulders. Keep the chin away from the throat. Hold that and raise up and hold. Push your hips up and hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 down. We'll do the same thing 10 times up and down. And then you take it up, inhale, pull your buttocks in and your stomach in. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Bend your both your knees. Put one leg over the other. Hands in a T position next to you, side to you. Take your right leg towards the left side. Head to opposite side for the spinal twist. Hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take it up. And the same, without changing the legs, take this to the right side. Like this. Without changing the leg, the other side. Hold this and push your leg, push your knee from with this leg. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring it to the center. Take the other leg, left leg over the right. Hold your right hand and the left leg and push it down towards the ground. And your head towards the other side. Feel your spinal twist, the lower back twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not lift your shoulders up. Even if your knee doesn't touch the floor, it's okay. But the shoulders should be, both the shoulders should be on the ground. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring the leg up and take it over to the other side. And stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it to the center. Hold both the knees towards your chest. Hug your knees. Hold into Pavanmuktasana. Come up and touch your forehead to the knees. And hold this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Straighten your legs. Come up in sitting position. Come on your elbows like this. The elbows. Keep your legs, knees towards you. Feet in front and stretch your legs out. And towards you and stretch. 2, 3. Feel the pull in your pelvic region, your lower back. 4. This is very good for your core muscles also. 5. Very slowly. 6. Keep your neck straight. If you go down, your neck will start bending. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Go down again, hug your knees. We'll do rolling over. Hold the knees together and roll towards the right. Try to touch your forehead to the floor and then go back to the other side. Left side and then right. Do this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax again, feet down. Turn towards the side and then come up. We'll be doing Surya Namaskar. That is also for all the chakras. All the chakras gets activated in Surya Namaskar. So we'll do 8 Surya Namaskars. Okay. In all the positions where there are chest, I'll show you which all exercise activate the Muladhara chakra. 1, 2, 3. This Padahastasana activates 3. 4. This also activates your Mool chakra. 5. Plank. 6, 7. Bhujangasana also activates your Muladhara chakra. 8. Adho Mukha Svanasana also activates. 9, 10, 11, and 12. Almost all the poses activate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. Padahastasana. Exhale. 4. Inhale. 5. Exhale. 6, 7. Inhale. 8. Exhale. 9. Inhale. 10. Exhale. 11 and 12. 1. Inhale. 2. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and down. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Come back. position, sitting position. We will use the mudra, the Prithvi mudra, that is the ring finger and your thumb to do Anulom Vilom. Use this. We will do 15 rounds of Anulom Vilom, the ring finger and the thumb. This is to activate the Muladhara chakra. 15 rounds, inhale and exhale. When you finished, relax. Keep the mudra on. Take normal breath. Take deep breath, inhale and exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. You do one more pranayam, that is Shitali pranayam, which cools down the body. Any fear, any irritability always also reduces. So Shitali is that you have to inhale, you have to make a beak like with the tongue. If you're not able to make, you can always keep a little gap in between the teeth and the tongue and inhale air through the mouth like this. Feel the cool air going in, swallow it, and then exhale through the nose. Keep in Prithvi Mudra. Make a beak of your tongue. And exhale. We'll do this 5 rounds. Inhale. And exhale. Feel the cool air passing through your tongue, through the throat, and feel it touch your lungs. Inhale. Finished. Relax. Observe your breath. Observe the inhale and exhale. You can go down in a lying position. We'll do a meditation, a relaxation for the Muladhara chakra. Lie down on your back or keep in a sitting position, whichever you are comfortable. Close your eyes and observe the breath. Feel the breath as you inhale. Let it pass through your nose to the back of your neck, through the spinal cord, to the base of your spine. And as you exhale, feel the air traveling back from the base of your spine to your neck and back to your nose. Keep your spine erect, your neck, head, and the spine in a straight line, and shoulders erect. Again, take 5 rounds of breath. Inhale. Feel the air touch the nostrils, the walls of the nostrils. Feel it extend towards the throat, back of your neck, the spine. Feel it reach to the base of your spine. And as you exhale, feel it come back. Again, inhale. Let it travel to the spine. And exhale. Do it for 2 more rounds. The mantra for Muladhara chakra is LAM. L-A-M, LAM. We will chant this mantra for 2 minutes. Continuous chanting, and then we will slow down the chanting. But your focus will be on the base of your spine, and you will imagine the color red at the base of your spine. The color, energy color of the Muladhara chakra is red. So you can imagine a red ball of energy at the base of your spine. Feel it rotating at a great speed, emitting energy, red energy. Feel that energy traveling around your pelvic region, traveling towards your feet, towards the soles of your feet. As you keep observing, chant LAM. Feel the vibration till the base of your spine. LAM. LAM. Chant continuously. LAM. Feel the vibration of the mantra start from your throat and reach the base of your spine. LAM. LAM. Focus on the mantra and the energy traveling. LAM. 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 Keep your eyes closed and in your mind Hear that mantra being repeated and feel that vibration of that mantra. Use 10 breaths of inhale and exhale. Think that you have only 10 breaths left and you are going to use the 10 breaths as long as you can hold. So each breath, when you take the first breath, take the inhale as long as you can. And while exhaling, feel relaxing the whole of your spine, the whole of your lower part of the body. You can relax each part of your body when you are exhaling. Take a deep breath, inhale. And as you exhale, feel your legs relaxing. Use all the 10 breaths very carefully. Inhale and focus on the breath. Focus on that inhale. Feel that inhale. Feel as if you are inhaling all the energy around you, all the positive energy around you, towards your spine, towards the base of your spine. And as you exhale, relax your hands, relax your shoulders. Inhale. Again, go outside your room. Inhale all the positive energy, all the goodness. Feel it spreading across your body to each cell of your body. Feel the positivity entering you and relax your abdomen. Relax the organs of your abdomen and your belly region. Again, inhale, go out of this world, throughout the universe, into the cosmic. Inhale all the goodness, all the prana around. Feel yourself being energized. And as you exhale, exhale out all the tiredness, all the stress, all the strain from your body. Two more inhales left. As you inhale, inhale again all the positive energy, wherever you can see, wherever you can feel. And inhale it. Fill up your body with positive energy, good feelings for you, for others. And as you exhale, exhale out all the negative feelings, the hatred for anybody. With each of this inhale, feel your body being positive, calm, spine erect. Feel the base of your spine being charged. Feel that energy supporting all the other chakras on the spine. Inhale and take in all the vibrations of all the mantras, including Om. As you inhale, exhale, chanting Om. Once more, inhale and chant Om. Inhale. Oh. Bring your hands together. The prayer. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Thank you, Swami.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Yeah, enjoyed today also.
It was very good, actually.
Huh?
It was very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll be
So-
doing one chakras each other class.
Okay.
So second will be your Swadhisthana chakra. Maybe I'll combine that with Manipura chakra. 2 chakras together.
Yeah.
Then
That
all
would be great. Then,
breathing.
yeah, that would be great. Then we can record it and make it a series, and then people can follow it.
Yeah, we can make a series.
Yeah, very well.
There are more asanas in that, but I don't know if I can include more asanas, the time permitting. Then we can hold on the asana.
Yeah, maybe we can come back, right? We finish the all 7, and then we come back to
Again, we
Yeah.
can use different asanas for that.
Yes, yeah. I think we can do that. That would be great. This is going very good, Samay. Since we
Thanks.
started, slowly the body is coming into shape, and I'm able to stretch more.
Huh?
I'm able to stretch more.
Ah, yes.
Which is
Some days it will be heavy workout, some days will be strength flow, some
Yes.
days will be these stretches. So
Yeah.
then we'll balance out everything.
very nice.
Okay.
This is very helpful. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay, bye. Bye, everyone.